Hello and welcome to 202D1275 BMW. My name is Ryan Brennan and today I'm going to be showing you around this X5 that we have in stock. So we're going to start off now with some exterior features. You can see we have our lovely chrome kidney grills. We have some black accents just down here. We have a carbon black paint scheme. We have some massive 20-inch alloy wheels with some blue brake calipers as well. A look at the interior. So we're going to move on to the rear now. So we have our rear brake lights. So if we hold down on the key fob, you can open up the boot. We do have a split folding tailgate, so you can fold this down as well, make it easier for loading. You can of course lower this car down on suspension with it being such a tall car. You can also close the boot as well with that little button. So you can see with it being an X car, absolutely loads of cargo space. We do have a cover as well with some anchor tie down points in here. You can see just here on the side. See there as well. The seats of course do fold down as well. So lots of practicality for this big car. Now moving on into the rear, we have our cream leather interior. Absolutely gorgeous. You do a lot of journeys in the back of this car. You can see miles of leg room as well. We've ISOFIX anchor points here for the bigger bulkier kid seats. When you pull this down, we do have a center armrest with two cup holders in there, which is nice. You have some rear ventilation back here as well, so some rear AC, little bits of cubby space. Door pockets are down there. We also have our rear privacy glass on this vehicle. So jumping into the front seat, you can see we have electronic controls for the seats, for the bolsters, so just here, and the headrest as well. We have our M Sport steering wheel, you can see there as well. So hopping in, first thing we're greeted by is our digital driver's display in front of us. So our stop starting is just down here.
Plug it in, you
so
just push
you lower the radio down. Now you can see the main infotainment screen here in front of us. Now, we do also have gesture control in this vehicle, so if you put your hand like that, you can higher and lower the radio, which is nice, and of course you can change channel then as well. Loads of different actions with that. Now digital driver's display, you can see we have our little built-in map in front of us. You can see all of our range and stuff like that. With this being a hybrid, of course, you can see down there as well all the mileage and everything like that. Now that of course can be customized, and it will change as you go through the mode. So if you stick it into sport mode, you can see we have more sporty display. Back into hybrid, fully electric mode, and then adaptive as well. So we go back into hybrid mode. So just below our infotainment screen, we have our climate menu and our heated seats. So we've heated seats for the driver and for the passenger. We have our demisters up here. We have our radio controls down here. We have the main center console just here. You can see we do have a lovely metallic effect. So you can just push that up. We have two cup holders. We have a wireless charging pad for your phone, a regular USB charging port. Down here, controls for the automatic transmission, our swivel wheel, some shortcut buttons for the infotainment system. We have the ride height adjustment for the air suspension, different drive modes are there, hill descent control, and then our parking sensors. So if we put the car into reverse, you can see we do have our parking sensors there. So we have our forward facing and reverse facing sensors. You can see here we do also side sensors as well. We have our reverse cameras, you get a good idea. We also have park assist, reverse assistant on this vehicle as standard. So if you open up the center armrest here, zoom out a little bit, there you go. We are greeted by a huge cubby space with a USB-C charging port down here as well. Lots of cargo in this vehicle. So on the door you may notice these buttons. These are the controls for the memory operated seats, so you can hold up to two drivers and remember each driver's driving position, which is quite nice. You can also open the boot from just here as well. Controls for all our lights. Now we're going to have a little look around. Nice pan around the car. You can see here we do also have a little LED bar that runs around and shines a bit brighter at night, of course. You can see that lovely trim, glove box down there. And then a good look now at the rear seats as well. Now if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicles that we do have in stock, feel free to contact us over here at 202D1275 BMW.